Hey, how you doing? Austin here, coming to you with a Shiba Inu update. Just kind of catch you up to date on what has transpired today, as well as showing you a very interesting trend and pattern that is starting to develop for Shiba on my TradingView app. So we're going to go take a look at that, and overall just have a discussion, just to kind of get a state of the union around Shiba. You guys know I'm a fan of Shiba. I own some Shiba, and I'm definitely in this with you guys and want to continue to see this rise. We had a good day today, so let's wrap it up and see how everything turned out and how we're looking going into tomorrow. As always, this video is for entertainment purposes only, and I'm not a financial advisor. Here we go. So as you can see, we are still up 8.58%. We are in the ninth. The 9 is in the millionth spot. Just to remind you, this is 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, millionth spot. Okay, so the goal is to move to here, move to here, move to here, and so forth. This is 1 penny. Okay, that is the holy grail. That is what we are trying to get to. That is that is where it is insane valuation and all those kind of things. Currently ranked at number 32. Overall volume, though, I really like what I'm seeing. We're up 77%. That has been pretty consistent. The volume scenario, if you look at kind of June 1 right here on the gray, June 1 to June 2, June 3, a little bit of fluctuation, but you can see that we've got some nice volume coming back. This is, potentially obviously new money coming in, and valuing it higher and helping us to kind of move up higher. Our 24-hour highs and lows, we were in the 8 spot, sitting in the million spot. We did get into the 100,000 spot. Okay, we did touch that. I've had a previous article that I showed you guys in the last couple of days talking about that if we could get to where a 1 was in this spot and kind of hold it consistently, that we had the absolute opportunity to go to potentially much higher valuations and move up in the next 3 or 4 plus weeks. We know that we've still got our catalysts out there. We've got we're waiting on ShibaSwap, things like that. We are just continuing to move forward. I showed this earlier today, but I want to show this to you if you didn't see this. We did surpass 460,000 holders. That's pretty cool. Let me refresh this to see. Let me close this and see if there's anything new on the SHIB Army Reddit. Let's see. All right, so it's complete right here. This is kind of a big deal. It's complete. Satoshi is already using ShibaSwap. Okay, so you saw it here. That was posted about 7 hours ago. We'll see how that continues to develop. See full image. Let's see if there's anything to this. You can't really see it. This is a screenshot that says it is complete and working right now. I'm collecting tokens on test networks right now. There's a hashtag there. I can't quite make out what that says. Okay, so cool. All right, so it looks like supposedly it's already using ShibaSwap. It's complete. Satoshi. Sorry guys, it's been a long day. So that's awesome. All right, so there you go. So that's every now and then, guys. Just FYI, this is what I do every now and then. Go to Reddit.com, and when you get to Reddit, here I'll even show you. When you go here, type in Shiba Inu, and you go to SHIB Army right here, and there you go. Okay, that's the official Shiba token on Reddit, and that's where you just saw me, basically do this. That's pretty darn cool. Complete. ShibaSwap is complete, and it's being used. Guys, I didn't know that was there, okay? So I don't always pre-prep ready for these videos, so that is really, really cool. Wow, I wonder when that is going to be available. That is really, really, really good news. Man, that's kind of cool. Wasn't expecting to see that. That's awesome. You can kind of tell that kind of surprised me. Let me do this real quickly. So we're still there, 8.91. Okay, oh, that's what I was looking for. What are the most viewed? Let's see how we're looking here. Life token, okay. This morning, Life token was in the #1 spot. Shiba Inu is taking over. I have not looked at Life token yet, guys, by the way, but the fact that this jumped out of nowhere up to this, where it's in the last 7 days up 635%, and in the last 24 hours it's up 98%. You might want to take a look at that, since we're talking about kind of speculative coins and things like that. And I'll even show you here real quickly. This is 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 2 is in the million spot. Okay, so similar to Shiba, where our 9 is in the million spot, their 2 is in the million spot. So again, you might want to take a look at that. It is on CoinMarketCap. If you go and you type in LTN or live token, you can go take a look at that. Okay, and I'll even make a note. I might do a video on that. So let's see. I'm just writing this down. Live token. Okay. All right. Cool. All right. So let's. Man, what was that? This is pretty cool. I'm kind of in a state of shock here, man. You guys, it's not too rare that something kind of flusters me. That kind of flustered me a little bit, guys. That is really, really, really cool. All right, let's take a look at what we've got going on with my chart. This is my trading view chart. I wanted to show you that we've got absolutely a pennant flag kind of developing here. This is the flag pole, obviously in the flag here. What I like is what I like that I'm seeing. A couple of things that I really, really like. I like that we've set a really good support level that we've touched 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and we've bounced back up. So right now our support level is a 933, and we're gonna look real quickly. So yeah, so it's a 933 right there instead of 9585. It's a 933. So that's absolutely our support level. We've touched it and bounced back 4 times. So that's pretty cool. And then you kind of look at what we've got here as far as resistance. Now, what we've got here is resistance that, number one, we've already. If you can see this light green line. If you know candlesticks, this is the main part of the candle, and this is what would be considered the wick, the thin part. And what this shows you, if you just didn't know this, is that the thick part of the candle is where most of the trading volume in the day happened. Okay, and then the little wick that goes all the way up here is where it spiked. So it did spike up to 1049, on earlier today. Okay. And then it came back, and the next hour it spiked up again to 1022. Okay, so I like that we've spiked over twice, and you've even got a few spikes here where we had some little bit of red days here, but we did spike up a little bit. What I like is that we're breaking through this resistance level. Okay, so what I want to see is what I'd like to see us continue. Maybe we might trend down a little bit, guys, and then bounce up, and then we'll kind of see what we get from there. Do we continue to, potentially move up? We'll see that. We've already seen some spikes, so we very well could see some lines like this where we spike up, because it's already shown right here that it will do it, as well as right here. Okay, so I like what I'm seeing here. We've got a really nice pattern developing. We've got good support. We've got this resistance level that kind of seems, and usually when you're in these kind of these flag patterns, is you do tend to see kind of it literally starts kind of speeding up, right? I think of it as speeding up. I don't know why. It just kind of starts smaller and smaller, and then it does a breakout. Okay, so then and cards on the table, it could break lower. I'm not really expecting that. I mean, we've established, again, this support level right here, right? We've established that really is there. We'll continue to see what it looks like, but it looks very interesting. And especially, I mean, again, you guys saw me flustered. This is new, okay? If this develops and comes out in the very, very near future, we could be really, really moving up really, really quickly. Okay, so that could absolutely be our catalyst to move it up. We all know that that's the major catalyst that's kind of out there waiting on, that we're really waiting on. I think some of the positive momentum that we've seen in the last 24 hours has specifically been related to Dogecoin. Shiba Inu is kind of somewhat attached to Dogecoin, and Dogecoin has had a great, 24 to probably more like 24, maybe 30 hours, give or take, has had a really good 30-hour period. So we'll continue to see how that develops, guys. I like what I'm seeing so far, and so we'll see how that continues to play out. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video. I wanted to make this as a late night video. Wow, we got a piece of breaking news there right here. I'll end on this with this on the screen. Whoops, where was I? Apologize. Right here, that it's complete. Satoshi is already using ShibaSwap. We'll see as things continue to go. All right, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.